Hey there, online store owners. Want to offer UPS shipping on your WooCommerce store and print labels hassle-free? In this quick 5-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set it up using ReachShip. Let's dive in. Step 1. Install and activate ReachShip Plugin. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Head to Plugins, Add New. Then search for ReachShip. Install the ReachShip WooCommerce Multi-Carrier Shipping Plugin. This is the tool that connects UPS to your store. Hit Activate once it's installed. Now, you'll see a new ReachShip tab in your WooCommerce menu. Click it, and you'll land on the login page. Or under your installed plugins, you'll find the ReachShip plugin. Connect to ReachShip account if you already created or sign in through your mail ID. Otherwise, create a new account by filling all the required details to continue with your ReachShip account and click Sign In to continue with your dashboard. Once logged in, go to Settings API in ReachShip. You'll find two modes: Production and Sandbox, Client ID and Client Secret. Copy the Client ID and secret key, then paste them into the WooCommerce plugin. Hit Connect. Now, your store's now linked to ReachShip. Step 2. Connect your UPS account in Carrier Settings. Now, let's connect your UPS account. Click on Under the Carriers and Services tab, select Add New Carrier Account, add UPS as a carrier. This will automatically take you to ship.reachship.com. Under Settings Shipping, select UPS as your carrier. Now you have to enter the account name and your UPS shipper account number. To get this number, you need to have already registered with UPS account. Then click Connect. This will take you to the UPS login page, where you need to enter your registered email ID, tick the checkbox, and click Continue. Up next, you have to enter your password and click Login to proceed. And finally, you have successfully added UPS as your carrier. This will ensure that live rates work flawlessly. Step 3. Configure shipping settings. Next, you have different settings options like Rates, Label, Accounts in your primary account. Under Rate Settings, you'll find a list of options that can be selected according to your requirements. Next, in Label Setting, you'll find a list of options that can be selected according to your requirements. Finally, in Account Setting, select your list of origin addresses will show. For that, previously you have to add your address in the Manage Address tab. And then click Save. Now under Show Services, list of UPS services were listed. Select the required as per your need and click Save. Step 4. Test with a dummy order. Now go to your website on the shop page. Place an order and view the cart to check whether the UPS carrier service is listed based on your updated shipping address. Now, we will see real-time UPS rates at checkout. Proceed to checkout and place your order. Step 5. Shipments and Printing. Now back to your dashboard. Under ReachShip Shipments and Printing, check the order which is placed now. Click on the order number to view the order details. Click Create Shipment. Now click to download label. And just like that, you've added the UPS shipping to WooCommerce and can print labels effortlessly. ReachShip pulls the customer's details, calculates the rate, and lets you print the label all for free. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos.